Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over the top 3 free music distribution services. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, if you've been a subscriber to my channel, you know your boy Yon World is an artist. I make music. I've distributed music on multiple platforms, and I have multiple different songs available up on the streaming platforms. Y'all know I made a lot of videos about the streaming platforms. Now, on this video today, I'm sharing the top 3 free music distribution services you can go with. Now, all of these 3 companies I've used personally. I know how they pay out. I know which one is the best. So, on this video, we're going to be going from the best to my least favorite. You know, they're all good. They're all the top 3 out of all of the free music distribution services. But on this video, I'm going to go over my favorite and my least favorite. You know, it's 3 music distribution companies we're going to go over. So, yeah, if you want to know how to upload your song to TikTok, Apple Music, Spotify, TIDAL, you know, Amazon, all of these big platforms for free, just watch this video. I'm about to share exactly what platforms are the best platforms to go with when you want to distribute your music for free. Now, the first platform on my list, the first platform I would recommend to anybody that wants free music distribution is Amuse. Now, why I recommend Amuse is because first, you keep 100% of your royalties. You keep 100% of all of your earnings. Second, they have an app, right? They have a interactive app where you can track all of your streams, and it just looks cool. It just looks cool to have. You know, you can pull up on your phone all your streams in real time. Amuse. So I like Amuse. Another reason, the pricing. You know, the pricing is free. If we look at the pricing, it's free. All right. You know, you get a free account. You know, 100% royalties. You can do your royalty splits. You know, you have to release within 4 weeks. That's a little, you know what I'm saying? You got to plan it out, so you can't be in a rush when you're making music either. You know, if you really want to do a great project, you want to plan it out, have the marketing right, have your playlist right, have all your streams generated right. You know what I'm talking about? You got to have everything in order, your SMM panels, everything, your marketing, your PR releases, your videos. So, you know, the release in 4 weeks, you know, I can understand it now. You know, it's a little 4 weeks, but I can understand it when you're really taking your craft serious. Now, Amuse, how you get paid, right? You get paid through PayPal, right? Payment happens at the end of the month. It happens every toward the end of the month, toward the beginning of the next month, like so around the 30th, the 1st, if it's the 31st, depending on if it falls on a weekday or weekend. It normally happens around the end of the month, right? And you are able to withdraw all of your money at once, and it's through PayPal the same day. Like, it's an instant. Once it's available, you can withdraw it. It's no wait time on it. It normally comes in the same day, and that's for Amuse. I recommend Amuse. Like I said, free distribution. You can get on Apple Music, Spotify, TikTok, Amazon Music, all the platforms that matter the most. You know, TIDAL, you know, things like that. All the platforms that matter the most, you can get on with Amuse. They pay every end of the month. At the end of the month, right? You know, it's an initial wait period. Once you upload, you know, you have to wait 60 to 90 days. But after that, you get paid every single month, right? With Amuse, you can cash out fast through PayPal. So the money is, you know, it comes easy. Like, you're able to cash it out easy. It isn't like hold times or withdrawal dates and wait. So that's my first platform, Amuse. I recommend that to anybody who wants to distribute their music for free. Now, the second platform, it's another platform I use, and this platform is called levelmusic.com. levelmusic.com. You can distribute your music for free. You can get on Apple, TikTok, Spotify, TIDAL, Amazon Music, all of the digital service providers that you need to be on, all of the big ones, even Facebook and Instagram. You can get on that too, all through Level Music. Now you keep 100% of your royalties on this, right? Level Music, this platform, they pay out every 15th. They pay out the 15th through PayPal. Now, sometimes it could load on the 15th, then you're not able to cash it out until the 16th, but normally around the 15th, 16th, that's when you get paid, depending on the time you withdraw it, is the time you will get it. So if you withdraw later in the day, you might not get the PayPal until the next day. But if you withdraw earlier in the day on Level Music, if you withdraw your money earlier in the day, it will transfer to your PayPal that same day. So that's something to keep in mind. I like to discuss the money because, as an independent artist, you want to know when you're getting paid. You want to be able to track this. Definitely if you start living off of this income, you want to know when they pay out. You want to have good secured payouts, and that's why I chose these specific 3 platforms that I'm about to show you. This is Level Music, but yeah, you can distribute everywhere. It's real simple. I love Level Music. They pay out. It's not complicated like how most music distribution services, they want all of this extra information, and they real strict on the rules. Some music distribution platforms are different, but the ones I'm recommending you, I have used personally, and I know that they are good. So the first one we talked about was Amuse, right? The second one, I recommend everybody is Level Music, right? This is a great platform, a free platform to distribute your music. They pay out on the 15th through PayPal. It's between the 15th and the 16th, but same day, depending on the time you request the withdrawal. Now, next website I'll recommend to everybody is Soundrop. Now, Soundrop, you know what I'm saying? You get 100% of your royalties, right? Oh wait, excuse me, no. Soundrop, they keep 15%. On Soundrop, they keep 15% of all of the earnings that you earn, right? That's the thing about Soundrop. They just take 15%, but you do get paid on the 15th of every month. You get paid on the 15th. You get paid through PayPal. Payments are fast on Soundrop, and it's a very easy to use platform. I recommend Soundrop. They send, I believe they send emails like when your statement report is ready and everything, so I like Soundrop. It's a good platform to use. Like I said, they send emails when your payments are ready. You don't keep 100% of your royalties. That's what I got wrong. You keep they take 15%. So you keep about 85%. Yeah, you keep 85%, excuse me. Bad on my math and that. But yeah, I'm just in the flow. But no, Soundrop is third on my list, only because of the features of the other first 2. Now, they all, have a good payout dates, right? Like Amuse, they pay at the end of the month. You can remember that every time at the end of the month, the beginning of the month, you're gonna get paid out in full with Amuse. They do, one lump sum payment of all of the royalties combined with Apple Music and TIDAL, Spotify, everything that you earn, YouTube, they do it all in one, at the end of the month. Level, they do the same thing, but on the 15th of the month, they combine all of the earnings and they make it in one deposit. And Soundrop, they do the same thing on the 15th of the month. You get your royalties. Now, Soundrop is last because they do take 15%. They take 15% cut of your royalty payments, but the first 2, Amuse and Level, they allow you to get 100%. They allow you to get 100% of your royalty. So I like that a lot, and I think just knowing how shady the music industry business is, becoming an independent artist, you have to understand the business. You have to make sure you pick the right platform, man. I've been with so many different platforms just to test it out and just to weigh my options, because it's a lot platforms, and they all offer different things. They all have different interfaces. They all pay out differently. So you got to know these things before you just hop on and distribute your music, and then you go through a lot of little setbacks or delays, or your music isn't distributed on when you want, or you're not getting paid when you want. Like, I like knowing when I'm getting paid, and I like the payment process to be smooth. Like, once the money is there, I want to be able to deposit it. I don't want to wait. I've already waited all this time. Let me get my money. So I like Amuse because same day, as soon as you requested it, you could request it in the middle of the night. It's going to come at that instant. I like that level. It's a little delay. If you request it late at night, you can't get it in the morning. You can't get it until the morning, or early in the morning. You can get it at night. And same with Soundrop. Soundrop, I believe they just send the payment. Yeah, Soundrop, you don't even request your payment. They just send it on that royalty date. You don't request it out. They just send it out. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. That was the top 3 free music distribution services. I hope y'all learned some valuable information from this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for the channel. I'm out. Peace.